The USS George Washington CVN-73 is a monumental achievement in naval engineering, standing as the sixth Nimitz-class nuclear-powered aircraft carrier. Its construction contract was granted on December 27, 1982. The keel was laid on August 25, 1986, at Newport News Shipbuilding, Virginia. Thousands of skilled workers meticulously pieced together the colossal carrier. The air was thick with welding fumes and the clang of metal. Each step brought the George Washington closer to its destined role. On July 21, 1990, the ship was christened by Barbara Bush. Finally, on July 4, 1992, the USS George Washington was commissioned into the United States Navy. The ceremony at Norfolk Naval Station marked the dedication of countless individuals. The USS George Washington is an engineering marvel, a floating city designed to project American power across the globe. At 1,092 feet long and displacing over 104,200 long tons when fully loaded, its sheer size is awe-inspiring. The flight deck, stretching over 4 acres, serves as a bustling airport at sea, capable of launching and recovering a wide array of aircraft. At the heart of this maritime behemoth lies its propulsion system, a testament to the power of nuclear technology. 2 nuclear reactors generate immense heat, creating steam that drives 4 massive turbines, propelling the carrier to speeds exceeding 30 knots. The ship's nuclear power plant gives it an almost limitless range, allowing it to stay at sea for extended periods without refueling. The USS George Washington is bristling with sophisticated weaponry, including the RIM-162 evolved Sea Sparrow missile for short-range air defense and the Phalanx close-in weapon system for close-range threats. Additionally, the carrier houses electronic warfare systems designed to jam enemy radar and communications, enhancing its survivability in hostile environments. Since its commissioning, the USS George Washington has played a pivotal role in numerous operations and exercises. One of its early deployments, in 1994, saw the carrier participate in Operation Southern Watch, enforcing the no-fly zone over southern Iraq. In 1996, the USS George Washington was dispatched to the waters off Taiwan in response to heightened tensions between China and Taiwan. The carrier's presence served as a stabilizing force, demonstrating American resolve and commitment to regional security. The devastating events of September 11, 2001, thrust the USS George Washington into the forefront of the War on Terror. The carrier and its strike group were among the first responders, launching airstrikes against al-Qaeda and Taliban targets in Afghanistan as part of Operation Enduring Freedom. The ship's around-the-clock flight operations provided crucial air support to ground forces, demonstrating the versatility and responsiveness of carrier air power in modern warfare. The USS George Washington serves as a floating airbase, deploying a potent mix of aircraft for various missions. The carrier air wing includes F/A-18E/F Super Hornets, the backbone of strike and air-to-air combat. The E-2D Advanced Hawkeye provides early warning and surveillance. The F-35C Lightning II enhances capabilities with advanced sensors and stealth technology. The CMV-22B Osprey adds a new dimension to logistical operations with vertical takeoff and landing. This versatile aircraft supports a wide range of missions, from humanitarian aid to special operations. The USS George Washington stands as a potent symbol of American naval power and global reach. Its presence in strategically important regions around the world serves as a deterrent to potential adversaries and reassures allies of the United States' commitment to their security. The carrier's ability to rapidly deploy to hotspots and project power across vast distances makes it a valuable tool of American foreign policy. Beyond its military capabilities, the USS George Washington also plays a vital role in humanitarian assistance and disaster relief efforts. The ship's ability to provide clean water, medical care, and logistical support to disaster-stricken regions has saved countless lives. The carrier's presence often brings hope and aid to those in desperate need, showcasing the compassionate side of American sea power. The USS George Washington represents the dedication, skill, and courage of the thousands of sailors who have served aboard her. These men and women, working tirelessly in often challenging conditions, ensure the ship's readiness to answer the nation's call. As the USS George Washington continues its service in the 21st century, it faces a complex and evolving security environment. The rise of new maritime powers, the proliferation of advanced weapons systems, and the persistent threat of terrorism require the carrier and its crew to remain vigilant and adaptable. The ship's ongoing modernization efforts, including the integration of new technologies and the training of its crew in the latest tactics, ensure that it remains at the forefront of naval warfare. The USS George Washington is scheduled to undergo a mid-life refueling and complex overhaul, or RCOH, a massive undertaking that will extend its service life for another 25 years. This extensive refit will involve refueling the ship's nuclear reactors, modernizing its combat systems, and upgrading its living spaces for the crew. The RCOH will ensure that the USS George Washington remains a vital asset to the United States Navy for decades to come. As the carrier steams into the future, it carries with it the legacy of its namesake, a symbol of strength, determination, and commitment to a better tomorrow.